Welcome to another video, and I unboxing 3 cards. Yes sir. We got Roblox, Minecraft, and Naruto. Bro, what the heck? W in the chat, bro. First of all, syempre, Roblox. Yes sir. Okay. So hard, bro. Heck. Sir. Yes sir, bro. What the heck? 1, 2, 3. Bring down in there and okay. Please. Okay guys, double in the chat. And second is Minecraft. Nice one. Sheesh. Gus. Double in the chat, and the last pack magic. Yakushi Kabuto, Uchiha Shizue, Uzumaki Naruto, Terumi Mei, Haruno Sakura, Rikodu Senin, Uchiha Sasuke. So guys, double in the chat guys. Bye bye.